channel. For everyone who's new, I'm the Vegan Bossa. Today we are going to prepare another veganized dish of the traditional Italian kitchen, the pasta and peas. This pasta is so simple and easy to prepare, and in 20 minutes will be ready in your table. Even if it is so simple, this pasta is highly nutritious because it has the right amount of carbohydrates, the pasta, and proteins, the peas. And we will give a little bit more flavor by adding the saffron. For this recipe, I'm going to use the regular pasta, but you at home feel free to use also the gluten-free pasta. The result will be the same and amazing. I assure you it's wonderful and very tasty, and look at the recipe until the end because I will share with you many tips on how to make the perfect pasta. And before continuing with the recipe, please take a moment to subscribe and ring that bell in order to receive all the notifications. And now let's prepare the recipe. For today's recipe, we are gonna use some pasta. I'm gonna use this giant fusilli here, but if you don't have this at home, you can use any kind of shortcut pastas. Then we are gonna use some peas, white onion, then some granulated crystal salt. This is for the boiling water where the pasta will cook, and some fine salt. Then some white pepper. For the cream, we are going to use some oat milk and some saffron, and we are going to use also some fresh thyme. This is completely optional. The thyme is only for garnishing. Then we are going to use some olive oil. Start by bringing a large pot of water to a boil. It is very important to use a large pot because the pasta needs space to get cooked. While the water for the pasta is boiling, we are going to start preparing the sauce. Clean and finely chop the onion. Then take a big pan, add some olive oil and add the chopped onion, some fine salt and some white pepper. I'm going to use white pepper because the flavors of white pepper are very light, earthy and simple, and it marries very good with the saffron flavors. Then cook over medium heat until the onion becomes tender and becomes like transparent. Then add the peas. I'm gonna add some frozen peas here. You can use also fresh peas or canned peas if you don't have time. Then cook it for 5 minutes and add the water and let it simmer over medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, the water has boiled. We are gonna add the crystal salt to the water and the pasta, and we are gonna cook the pasta 2 minutes less than the package instructions. We are gonna cook the pasta 2 minutes less because we are gonna finish cooking it into the skillet with the sauce. When the pasta is ready, drain it and combine it with the peas into the skillet. Mix it well for half minute. Then now is the moment to add the creaminess to our pasta. We are gonna prepare some oat milk with the saffron. I'm gonna use here powdered saffron. If you have some threads, you can crush them. Then we are gonna add the mixture to our skillet and the pasta will cook for 1 minute more. Then at the end, we are gonna garnish our dish with some fresh thyme and enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this video recipe and stay tuned because every week I will upload for you new vegan recipes videos. Thank you for watching and see you the next time.